Your time.
Thank you, Thomas. Great to be with you.
So if you want to remember something that's really important, we have some advice for you. You are supposed to take a nap. There's a new study out showing that extra bit of sleep could actually have a significant impact on your life. Dr. Matthew Edlund is the author of The Power of Rest, and he's a sleep and rest expert, and he joins us now live from Florida. Sir, it's good to have you with us. Dr. Edlund, I want to get straight to it because it's encouraging results from this study about how memory can be affected by sleep. So break it down for us. How does it work?
Basically, you need sleep in order to remember. You need sleep for learning. You need sleep to renew your body, and if you don't renew your body, you don't last.
All right, so the focus of this research was really on taking naps as opposed to 8 hours of sleep overnight. But is sleep just as effective if you just make certain enough to get 8 hours a night? Are naps really necessary for those of us that can't take them to improve our memory skills?
Naps are among the most normal human things out there, but a lot of people don't believe that, and a lot of people don't think they need them. What's wild is even short naps can improve learning and memory, even things as short as 6 minutes. Basically, rest is regeneration. That's how we rebuild and renew our bodies. That's what's necessary for our survival. And if people want to take a nap, it's fine. Whether workplaces will allow that, that's another story.
There you go, doctor. I don't know if our bosses are going to allow us to curl into the desk, but you never know. So in regard to this study, there were 24 participants in the study. Half that tested for memory without sleep apparently did not retain the new information as well. So what's happening in the brain that's making sleep so important for us?
It's literally rewiring the brain. It's literally renewing the brain. The memories that were coming in have to get consolidated. That's what's happening in sleep. Sleep is literally a mind-altering experience.
So, but when we talk about this, memories need to be saturated into our memory banks through only sleep, because we can make a logical memory. We could have a memory about having this interview right now, but and walk away with some walk away with some very important points from it. But why would sleeping after this help us retain more information from it?
Because we actually need sleep for long-term memory. We actually need sleep to get things from working memory into long-term memory in a way that's usable. We take in too much information. We take in enormous amounts of information. That information's got to be processed, remembered, or forgotten. And a lot of what goes on in sleep is gisting, summarizing, taking the old information, putting it together with new information into something we can use. Otherwise, we're just filled with all this stuff that we can't use and can't have real judgment with.
And doctor,
sleep makes it work.
Is this something that you would recommend more for students than you would for people that have careers, or is it supposed to be across the board for all of us to take away from this?
It's across the board for all of us. Rest is regeneration. What people don't realize is that within a few weeks, most of you is gone. Most of you has been replaced. Your bones, your teeth, they're the same. Bits of DNA. Everything else pretty much is remade. We are constantly remaking memories. We are constantly reconsolidating our learning. That's how we stay healthy.
It's fascinating research, good stuff, and our thanks to you, Dr. Matthew Edlund, for joining us today. It really is a fascinating conversation. I wish we had more time, but we appreciate the time you've given us.
We'll remember the State of the Union, I hope, at least as well.
We will, 9 p.m. tonight. Don't forget the time, and you'll be watching right here on MSNBC along with the rest of America. Thank you, sir. So